This is solar cooked soil and grass mixed together in layers from it's May 27th, and see how some of it is burned. So this is the stuff on the bottom where the energy is focused, and here you see there's quite a bit of it burnt. So this might be what do you call it, biochar, or it might be considered biochar. It's burnt anyway. And here from the bottom of the pot it's all charred, and I think that's bad for heat transfer, because the bottom of the pot has to get very hot to burn. Like I think it's 400 and something Fahrenheit to burn this stuff. So what I've done with my next batch, there's another problem as well. The heat does not transfer quickly through the soil. So what I've done for my next plan of campaign is I put a little chamber in the bottom for water, and water will boil at 100 centigrade and transfer up the heat in the steam through the soil. So in this I put water at the bottom, but it kind of soaks into the soil, and the soil just burns at the bottom anyway, so it hasn't worked out that good. So, oops, I messed up. Can't do this with one hand. Okay. So that goes in at the bottom, and then this goes in. Try the water. So water comes up to minus level, just below the level. Then this goes on top. This is from a frying pan cover, and then I put in some of this stuff, which is just cut up well, it's actually lettuce leaves have gone to seed, and then over that I put layers of soil, sieved soil. Sieved soil, then more of that, sieved soil, more of that, and finally a layer of sieved soil. Never heard this sound from it before. I presume it's the sound of boiling reflected off of this. Reflected off of the sounds weird. This is solar cooked soil, and it's stopped cooking about an hour ago. It's still 81.8 degrees centigrade, and what I've done is I have put a layer of water in here, and then sort of a chamber of water, and the water boils when it gets to 100 C, and the steam goes up through the soil and heats up the soil and sterilizes it. So this has worked really well today. It was very quick because the steam rises quickly. This is the soil and the clippings taken out. So this is a little bit charred looking, but it might not be actually charred, because it was sitting in a pile for a few days, so it's probably it's just partly composted. Here is the chamber over the water, and I have the bucket that I put the water in with. So I put this container of water in to the bottom chamber. And just see. And this is all I have left. So the rest of the water boiled up and steamed. Sorry, and steamed this soil. So it definitely did what it was supposed to do. So that's all that's left. So I'll clean this out just to see how much soil went down through it, and redo the experiment tomorrow. Thank you.